Hi, welcome to Cyprex. In today's video, we will explore on data architect. What is data architect? A data architect is a senior level professional responsible for designing and managing an organization's data infrastructure. They create blueprints for data management systems, ensuring data is organized, accessible, secure, and aligned with business objectives. Data architects work closely with stakeholders to define data strategies, implement data governance, and support analytics and reporting needs. Their role is critical in enabling data-driven decision-making and maintaining the integrity and scalability of enterprise data systems. Here are some professional and friendly question and answers for an interview. Q1. What is the role of a data architect in an organization? Answer. A data architect is responsible for designing and maintaining the structure of an organization's data systems. This includes developing data models, defining data flows, selecting appropriate technologies, ensuring data security and compliance, and aligning the architecture with business goals. They also work closely with stakeholders, data engineers, and analysts to support efficient data usage and scalability. Q2. Can you explain the differences between OLTP and OLAP systems? Answer. OLTP, Online Transaction Processing. Systems are designed for managing transactional data with fast insert, update, and delete operations. They support day-to-day operations. OLAP, Online Analytical Processing. Systems are optimized for querying and reporting, often used in data warehouses for decision-making. OLAP handles complex queries and large volumes of historical data for analysis. Q3. How do you ensure data quality and integrity in your architecture? Answer. I ensure data quality and integrity by implementing validation rules, referential integrity constraints, data profiling tools, and regular audits. I also define data governance policies, enforce consistent data standards, and work with ETL processes to cleanse and transform data before loading it into analytical systems. Q4. Describe the types of data models you use and their purpose. Answer. Conceptual data model. High-level design, showing entities and relationships for business understanding. Logical data model. More detailed, showing attributes, keys, and data types without physical implementation. Physical data model translates logical design into a database-specific implementation, including tables, indexes, and partitioning. Q5. What tools and technologies have you used for data architecture? Answer. I've used tools like Irwin Data Modeler, dbt, and Apache Airflow. For storage and processing, I have experience with AWS, Redshift, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and Azure Synapse. For data integration and pipelines, I use Informatica, Talon, or Apache NiFi. Q6. How do you design for scalability in a data architecture? Answer. I design for scalability by using distributed storage and computing platforms, partitioning large data sets, implementing indexing strategies, and decoupling data layers through services. I also prefer cloud-native architectures and scalable data warehouses that support auto-scaling and parallel processing. Q7. How do you handle data security and compliance, e.g. GDPR, HIPAA? Answer. I implement role-based access control, RBAC, data encryption in transit and at rest, and anonymization or masking techniques for sensitive data. I also ensure compliance through audit logging, data lineage tracking, and adherence to regulatory frameworks during design and implementation. Q8. How do you handle schema evolution in a large-scale distributed data system? Answer. Schema evolution should be backward and forward compatible to support continuous data ingestion and analytics. I use schema registries, e.g., Confluent for Kafka, to manage versions, columnar formats like Avro, Parquet, or ORC that support schema evolution, metadata-driven ingestion pipelines using tools like Apache Hudi or Delta Lake, clear versioning strategies with transformations applied at the ETL or query layer, and Q9. How do you ensure data lineage and governance in a modern data stack? Answer: I integrate governance into the architecture. Use metadata management tools, e.g., Apache Atlas, Colibra, to track lineage. Apply data catalogs, e.g., Alation, Amundsen, for discovery and documentation. Automate lineage capture in ETLELT tools, e.g., dbt Airflow. Enforce data ownership, naming conventions, and stewardship policies. Integrate with security frameworks for auditing and compliance reporting. Hope you like this video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thanks for watching Cyprex. Keep learning and stay inspired.